Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get your Etsy account reinstated. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening our official Etsy website right here at etsy.com if you have not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the home page from where we can get started. We can browse all the products, and in the upper right corner we can get started logging in. So what you want to do is go ahead and log into your account. If you want to log into your account and you keep getting the error that you're banned for some reason or your account is closed and so on, and you want to be reinstated, this is what we can do. Basically guys, you're going to check your email first. The email that you used for your account is going to go and contain an email showing you and telling you that you can be either banned or closed and so on, and that you can appeal. So this is where you want to go and appeal. You want to send an email to Etsy showing them that you have been banned wrongly, that you did not do anything wrong, and you want to tell them what happened so they can take a look at your case. So after taking a look at case, if you have still not been reinstated, this is what you can try. So what happens if your appeal is denied? If your account is not reinstated after appeal, it will remain permanently suspended and you cannot operate it after that. Basically, if Etsy does not reinstate your account because they found out that you did something wrong, you will not be able to get it back. So you can either find some alternatives or you can create a new account. You just have to be careful to not connect your account to the previously banned one so that you will not be banned again. But basically, if it's not reinstated after the appeal, you don't have any choice and it's not going to be unbanned, and basically that's all you can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.